Hello and welcome to Orcanos Academy training session. In this short video, we will discuss the purpose of the description layout field. So first, we're going to show a few examples by accessing the QMS eForm project or eForm in your system. Through the main menu, I am viewing the product tree view so that I can see the hierarchy of all my items on the left. The Fields Layout field acts as the final presentation layer for any eForm or record, including the fields and the filters that are part of that record. We're going to have a look at a few examples. In the next lectures, we will go step by step on how to create these presentation layers. The first example we're going to review is an ECO, or a change control form. Looking at an example of a form, you'll be able to see that all the fields and relevant filters that are part of the ECO are going to be presented at the very bottom in this description layout. So you can see that the description layout is generally set up as a table, and there are two ways to view the description layout. The first is where all the data is actually presented, and you can see the different filters presented as tables. This is called dynamic information shown, and by clicking the little eye on the right, you'll be able to hide the dynamic information and see the names of the fields and the names of the filters that have been embedded into this description layout. The main purpose of creating a proper description layout is to be able to have a signed record that presents all the information. So if I view the history of this specific record, I can see that every time a signature process is completed, we have a tag created, and by clicking View, I'll be opening an HTML record, which can then be saved as PDF for your comfortable. This HTML document in the beginning will have the cover letter that exists also for signed documents that are part of document control, and at the bottom we'll start seeing all the presentation layer that is taken from the description layout and the different sections and all the information that's been embedded. This tool will help you transition seamlessly from a Word or hard copy filing system of forms to an electronic system that creates the records for you, while using smart filters that can create information without you having to do it manually. I want us to look at another simple example for supplier evaluation. So if I'm going down in my eForm project and choosing the supplier qualification request, we can also have an example of a description layout of suppliers that, instead of having a complete form, just want to present a few smart filters. So again, the two different views of a description layout are either with the dynamic information hidden, and I can see 3 filters that have been embedded, and by showing the dynamic information, I'll be able to see the filters, content, and data being presented. A signed version of this record will show me this in a HTML file, which will include at the moment that it was signed the information that was part of the description layout. This shows the importance of having all your data in the template set up for each project so that you have your forms aligned to your documents. We will follow this lecture with specific steps on how to do so. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for listening.